Today is the 54th birthday of the Badshah of Bollywood, King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. For over 30 years, considering Fauji being his television debut, which was telecasted on Doordarshan in the late 80s, we are mesmerized by his enigmatic charisma. Not only his romantic screen image that we are a fan of, we are today the fan of Shah Rukh Khan, his overall personality. People who have seen Shah Rukh Khan over the years, I'm sure, are well versed that he is a voracious reader. Let me show you a picture of Shah Rukh Khan's own library in his house, Mannat. In today's video, I will talk about some of the books which SRK himself has read and which he wants other people also to read. And in one of his interview, I have seen that his personal collection of books is not less than 15 to 20,000. If I get a clip of that particular interview, I will stick it in my video as well. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. Today on 2nd November, which is the 54th birthday of Badshah of Bollywood, King Khan Shah Rukh Khan, I will be talking about the books which Shah Rukh Khan himself has recommended. Disclaimer, all the books that I am mentioning in this particular video of mine, the information of all this I have collected from his tweets, from his interview and from his blogs. If you are new to my channel Book Tales by Preetha, do hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's begin today's video. We all know how much SRK is close with his three kids, Abram, Aryan, Suhana. To this respect, I would like to talk about a particular book called Fatherhood by Bill Cosby. Bill Cosby is a very popular television personality. This particular book was, I guess, published in 1986, and in this particular book, in a humorous manner, Bill Cosby talks about different aspects of parenting. I'm sure if you are a parent yourself, then you can definitely relate to this particular book. The next book that I will talk is again with a personality trait which we are very much oblivious, and we can see it in Shah Rukh Khan's personality. This is his relationship with female, be it his own wife Gauri Khan or it is with his female co-star. From Juhi Chawla to Deepika Padukone, we see how much these female co-stars rant about their equation with SRK. Now in this respect, I will talk about a particular book called Why Men Don't Listen and Women Don't Understand Man by Alan and Barbara Pease. In this particular book, the causes of differences between the two genders has been told in a humorous manner. If you have read the book called Men Are From Mars, Women From Venus, this book goes in a similar line like that. SRK is a fan of Dan Brown. Digital Fortress and Da Vinci Code are two books that are widely recommended by SRK himself. Maybe because of the pace and the subject, these books are repeatedly recommended by Shah Rukh Khan. I have not read any of Dan Brown's book. So if you have read any of Dan Brown's work, do mention in the comment your feedback on the work by Dan Brown. Are the books better than the movie adaptation? Well, I have seen the movies, but yet to read the books. They are in my TBR for a very, very long time. So do mention your feedback. SRK is a voracious reader. He reads children's books like Batman and Harry Potter. Okay, don't kill me if I have used the word children's book, but since I have to specify a genre when I am talking about certain kinds of book, that is the reason I mentioned that adjective while mentioning these two books. Two more books that have been mentioned by SRK, and these books are also in my TBR, are Curious Case of a Dog in the Night Time and The Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy by Douglas Adams. This is a sci-fi book, and it talks about sci-fi about space in a light, humorous manner. One of SRK's previous interview, he's telling that even he wants, or he has told his children, to read at least one book out of your syllabus once a month. In this way, you can develop a habit of reading. The same thing I would also like to tell to people who want to inculcate a reading habit in themselves. Do read a book once a month if you are a student, which is out of your school or out of your syllabus. And this particular book, while choosing it, select a subject that is of your particular interest. Then I think you will spend more time in reading a particular book, and in that case you can develop a habit of reading. Now I will give a list of some other books which SRK has recommended. And let me tell you one more thing. All the books that I am mentioning in this particular video of mine, the information of all these books I have collected from the blogs, from the interview, and from SRK's tweet. I am mentioning it for the second time because I thought I should mention it, because otherwise question might arise from where I am recommending all these books. Also, the link of all the books that I mentioned in each of my video, the Amazon affiliate link of each of the books will be mentioned in the description section below. So that after watching this particular video or any other video of mine, if you are interested to read and buy the books that I mentioned in the video, please do buy it from the link given in the description section, because if you buy it from the link given in the description section, then I get small percentage as a commission from Amazon affiliate link. To know more about Book Tales by Preetha, do follow Book Tales by Preetha on Instagram. We have a Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preetha. On Twitter, it is @PreethaSharkar18. And link of all this social media handle is also mentioned in the description section below. Now, without more talking about myself, let me get back to the books that SRK has mentioned, and for that I'm going back to my notebook. The books are The Unbearable Lightness of Being by Milan Kundera, Kaaba by Daniel C. Matt, The Five People You Met in Heaven by Mitch Albom, a collection of poems, The Night Turned Mad with Footstep. This is a rare book, and in this particular book, he has repeatedly told to read Gambler poem, David and Goliath, Kamchat, and these are some of the books that have been mentioned. In the description section below, I will also put the link of a particular blog in which there are 31 books that SRK has recommended, and you can check them out too if you are a true SRK fan. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. If you want to see similar videos, then definitely you need to subscribe my channel Book Tales by Preetha, because I come up with new videos every week. And do spread my video to your friends and relatives, then only then small booktubers like us grow. And thank you for watching my video till the end, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye. Have a very nice day.